In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new profile on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to have a whole new profile where your family members can watch videos or movies on Netflix, it's pretty simple. Just head over to your profile icon here, and from this, go ahead and click on Manage Profiles. Now, if you tap on this, it will open a whole new tab, and under this, you should be able to see options here, and among them we have profiles at the end. Now under profiles, you can see we have profile settings. Currently I have two, mine and kids profiles. To add another one, go ahead and click on add profile and give it a name. For instance, this I want to be a profile for family, and go ahead and decide whether you want this to be kids profile, which means only see kids friendly TV shows and movies. So if you want this to contain only TV friendly or family friendly movies, go ahead and toggle this, then tap on save. Now this will go ahead and add another profile, and therefore if you have chosen this profile, you can go ahead and edit personal and contact information if you wish, even add profile locks if you wish, and watch movies and TV shows using this profile. So each and every time you can interchange the profile. For instance, now if I choose family, here now you'll be able to watch content that is appropriate for this family profile. So that's how you can create a new profile for your family TV shows on your Netflix account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.